Be ready. Start. Brief facts of the case are that Srimati Nanki Bai has purchased two plots from one Guru Dutt for a sum of rupees 2400 on 24/1960. Stop. The landlord petitioners had produced on record a copy of the sale deed 24/1960 exhibit AW2, which proves the fact of purchasing two plots by Nanki Bai. Stop. Before Nanki Bai had purchased the plots, there was no religious place on those plots. Stop. Neither the sale deed nor the Jamabandi for the year 1956 indicate anything to that effect. Stop. Nanki Bai became extremely religious after the death of her husband Talia Ram. Stop. It appears that she started devoting her time to the worship of Holy Sri Guru Granth Sahib and some Hindu idols which she had installed at her house, which was built on one of the plots. Stop. There is a shop adjoining the house and the dispute is with regard to the shop. Stop. Nanki Bai also died. Stop. After the death, the landlord petitioners are alleged to be legal representatives, being the collaterals of Talia Ram, that is, husband of Nanki Bai. Stop. It is claimed that they have inherited the demised premises. Stop. It is pertinent to mention that the landlord petitioners 1 and 2 are brothers and landlord petitioner number 3 is sister of Talia Ram. Stop. The relationship between the landlord petitioners and Nanki Bai has not been disputed. Stop. The tenant respondent has also admitted that he was tenant under Nanki Bai, and on that basis it has been held that Nanki Bai during her lifetime was the landlady of the tenant respondent. Stop. However, after the death, the tenant respondent is alleged to have paid rent to one Prem Prakash in respect of the demised premises. Stop. The aforementioned Prem Prakash is said to be a sevak of the Gurdwara. Stop. The receipts showing the payment of rent exhibits R1 to R3 issued by Prem Prakash at the rate of rupees 65 do not have stamp of the Gurudwara, except stating that the rent has been received in respect of Gurudwara Nanki Bai. Stop. The rent controller sees to the conclusion that once the landlord petitioners are held to be the heirs of Nanki Bai, it has to be accepted that there is a relationship of landlord and tenant between the tenant respondent and the landlord petitioners. Stop. The view of the rent controller in this regard reads as under. Stop. In the instant case, after going through the evidence on the file, I am of the opinion that the petitioners have been able to establish the relationship of landlord and tenant between the parties. Stop. Therefore, it is immaterial if the respondent has tried to lead this evidence that Sri Guru Nanak Sahib Gurdwara Sikka Colony Sonipat is owner of the shop in dispute. Stop. The contention of the petitioners is that Srimati Nanki Bai was the owner of the shop as well as the adjoining property. Stop. The petitioner has produced a copy of the sale deed which shows that Srimati Nanki Bai purchased two plots from Dutt from a sum of rupees 2400 on V4 1960. Stop. The copy of Jamabandi of year 1956 Exhibit A1 also shows that Srimati Nanki Bai was owner of the land measuring 17 canal 4 marlas situated in Moja, Pukhas. Stop. These two documents do not show that any Gurudwara or any other person had concern with the property purchased by Srimati Nanki Bai.